Magia Azimio geso kirina gotababuna kira kioti geri Gochi wanchirana umusuwada bwechibeso 2024 na gotababuna ni gobaraje Okorobekana bune nchire moyo kwegerera abakenya gose omokenya bakorawa amono murai o waipa uyo manyakaine buna Karonso Musyoka ni gobatebire baraboti amo nababunge ba Azimio ni gobaraje kwenekia uno musuwada oyo tori wetegwa ase bunge chinga kiora ikibwebosyo wekegambero ase chinga kiechechyo ni gobaraje Azimio nigo bomera naye ime ya Nairobi elio koligereria chinjira gosemerero ryo chogotinya ekiamekyo.
We can only honor them. Medical Lenturi was the biggest farce thus far. That 7 MPs could overturn the vote of 149 members of parliament. How would you call this? It's absolutely ridiculous. Mr. Lenturi should do the honorable thing and resign. Number 5, this is a clarion call to the Azimio fraternity and all Kenyans of goodwill that we are ready to exercise our constitutional right under Article 37 of the Constitution of Kenya. That is the right to peaceably assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to present petitions to public authorities. We thank Conrad Adenauer Stiftung for hosting us this morning. We continue to appreciate your partnership in broadening the democratic space in our country.
It was determined that we say that the selection panel will forward the name to the president within 14 days because we are all constrained for time on IBC, and the president should only have a maximum of 7 days because there's nothing the president is doing with those names, especially as had been captured by senior counsel and our principal Kalonzo Musyoka, that it's a negotiation, it's prior negotiation, so there's no reason that it should stay for that long. The last and the 5th is about the definition of parliamentary parties. It was noted that the selection panel, the parliamentary parties would participate, but there was no definition in the Act. So an provision was inserted to define the parliamentary parties, and all that was done was to leave what in the National Assembly Standing Order 28 that defines parliamentary parties. In the National Assembly, it's defined as a minimum of 5 members. Yeah, 5%, yes, not 5 members, 5%. And that's what was lifted. Now, in the Senate, it is different. But fortunately, that definition that was lifted was limited to the National Assembly. It does not say